Hello everyone, in this video we're going to go through how to hide desktop icons in Windows. Now there are various ways to hide it. Let's look at some of them. We have about 4 ways, let's say 3 ways actually today. The first way is by using the desktop context menu. The second way is by using the desktop icon settings, and the third way is by using group policy editor. This is for pro and enterprise version. We're going to get into that. Let's start with the first one, which is using the desktop context menu. So right click on an empty space, which I just did right now, and then select view. And after selecting view, the next thing I'm going to do is uncheck show desktop icons. Uncheck it and it is gone. It's as simple as that. That is how to hide it. Now let's bring it back so we can do the next one. View. The same way you hid it, the same way you can bring it back. It's back. The next one you can do, you can also use desktop icon settings. The first one I did was by using the desktop context menu. Next one we're going to do is desktop icon settings. Now, right click on any empty area of your desktop, then select personalize. And next thing you're going to click is themes. There you go, this is theme. And next you're going to click desktop icon settings. This is over here, click it. And next thing you're going to do is uncheck the boxes for the icons you want to hide. This is a particular one I want to hide. Let's say I want to hide right now this is checked, which means cycle bin is hidden. Let me uncheck that. Let's say I want to hide network. So, and then after unchecking the boxes you want to hide, so anyone you uncheck you want to hide it. Oh, this is checked, it means this is all hidden. Then put this. I don't want to hide this. I don't want to hide it, so the rest of them can hide. So that's it. And then we click on apply and then click on OK. So let's go back. Cycle bin is there, and the ones that are unchecked they've disappeared. It's as simple as that. So moving on, you can also use group policy editor. Now how do you do? Press the Windows key plus the arrow key. I know it's gonna work, but let's try. Okay, and then the next thing I'm gonna do is type gpedit.msc. Okay, hope it's not gonna change anything. gpedit. It should be small letters. And gpedit.msc, and then enter. So I'm going to navigate next to the user configuration. This is user configuration, and now I'm going to navigate to administrative templates, which is this one. Click on it, and from here desktop, click on desktop. So next thing, double click on hide and disable all items. So let's click on desktop again. It's not showing. Okay, so okay, content settings, my behavior of user default to be displayed. Okay, let's make it bold so we can see what we're doing. This is desktop. Double click on it, and then so you go to double click, not just click. Double click on desktop, and then you can see hide and display all items on the desktop. Click on it, and then as a double click again, then you can choose enabled. So you click on enabled, click on apply, and click on OK. That's it. I won't do that, so because I actually want to hide anything. So that's it. Those are the 3 ways. Yes, 3 major ways to hide desktop icons. So note that when you hide all desktop icons using group policy editor, to hide all icons including shortcuts you've placed on the desktop. So by using any of these 3 methods, you can easily hide desktop icons in Windows to declutter your workspace. Hope you found it helpful. If you did, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for